Welcome students. Now here OP is equal to 7 centimeter is given. We have in right triangle Q, P, O. By Pythagoras theorem, OQ squared is equal to OP squared plus PQ squared. But you just look at the question, it is given that OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. So let us write it over here. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 given. Therefore, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Now what shall we do is we'll replace this OQ with 1 plus PQ. So let us replace OQ with 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ. But as you can see over here, it is squared. So let us do whole squared. 1 plus PQ whole squared is equal to, and what are we having in the RHS? See over here, OP squared plus PQ squared. So write it down in the RHS as it is. We have just replaced the OQ squared in LHS. In the place of OQ squared, now we are having 1 plus PQ squared. Now let us expand 1 plus PQ squared. One plus PQ whole squared is equal to, as we know, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we are having these two in RHS. What are those two sides? They are PQ squared and OP squared. We have just replaced OQ squared with 1 plus PQ whole squared. Now on expanding this 1 plus PQ whole squared, we get 1 squared plus PQ squared plus 2PQ. And in RHS, we are already having this PQ squared plus OP squared. So write them as they are. Now as you can see, PQ squared is there even in LHS and RHS. So you will cut it out. Both will get cut down. If the same terms are there in LHS and RHS, then they get cut. Now what is remaining in LHS? 1 plus 2PQ. And what about the RHS? Here you are having only OP squared. Now let us again move to the question. OP is already given equal to 7 centimeter. So replace this OP squared with the value of OP equal to 7 centimeter. Over here, we will replace OP with 7. 1 plus 2PQ. Write the LHS as it is. But in RHS, now you are going to put the value of OP equal to 7. So 7 squared because OP is squared. Now again, 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 49. Here we'll write that OP is equal to 7 centimeter. It is given. So now we squared 7 and we got 49. 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. We transposed 1 to the RHS. 2PQ is equal to 48. Therefore, PQ is equal to 48 upon 2. That is 24. So we have got the value here. You already know that OP is 7 centimeter and now you got PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we have to find this OQ. How will we find OQ? It is already mentioned in the question that OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Therefore, OQ is equal to 1 plus 24 that is equal to 25. So we got all the three sides of the right triangle OPQ. Now, very simple part it is that you have to find sine Q and cos Q. So let us find them. Well, now sine q. As you already know that it is opposite of q upon hypotenuse. So what is the opposite of q? It is 7. And what is the hypotenuse? It is 25. So very simple it is. And the next part is to find cos q. What is cos q? Just see the side adjacent to q. It is 20. The value of that side, the measure of that side is 24, and the name of the side is PQ. So we can even write like that, PQ upon OQ, which is hypotenuse, and that is equal to 24 upon 25. So we found the values of both sin q and cos q. Thank you. Here are the steps which you should follow while doing the sum.